Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the second place we have the audio control. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it on by using this button and turn it off like that also. And when we have this turn it on, as you can see, we can pick from say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. So this is how it works, and this option allows us to take a picture without touching a screen by saying, for example, cheese, or just speak loudly. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.